All right, it's a crazy day. We have so much going on at the shop. McLaren 720S guy is coming in from out of town, from North Carolina. This one is going on a rally. So car rally, he just bought the vehicle just a couple weeks ago, and it's got no paint protection film on it. So can you imagine this vehicle is gonna be starting off out of New Jersey, driving all the way to Montana and Colorado, and without having any type of protection on the front end, it is gonna be destroyed. So we really are on a time crunch. We're gonna try to send it, get this thing wrapped up really, really quick because the film is gonna come off later on anyways. We're gonna cover up the decals here, cover up the front bumper, cover up the pieces here. We're gonna do windshield skin on it, and it is 9:31 exactly right now. What's going on with my phone? There you go. It's 9:31 and this vehicle needs to be done at 1 o'clock. So we have a ton of work to do. We're gonna send it, enjoy it. Let me know what you think of this color. I think it's called like Miami Dolphin Blue or something. I don't know what color it is. Leave it in the comments below. But anyways, we got a ton of work to do, tons of wraps. Grateful, so super, super excited. People are crazy if they go to the track, cars that are worth $250,000, not have any film on them. That's insane. All right, prep up the corners, so that's next. These have been wiped down. I'll jump on the plotter. We're still gonna extend the edges coming through here because this will get bombarded with rocks. Obviously wrapping everything coming through here. Gonna tackle the headlights. Gotta remove this tracking device. These are very annoying to remove, but we'll get that off. Probably ask Nick or Roman to do it for us. But I think we'll get her done for sure. So this is what I'm spraying. It's not promoter. It's essentially grab from Mike Nord. It's called step 1. So what that does is it helps clean up and degrease the areas where the film's gonna get wrapped around. I actually found this product worked very, very, very well for us. You can peel film off, you can reposition it. It will not damage any of the glue. It just gives it a little bit more of a tack. So we like to come through, scrub up the edges. You probably saw this in all the other videos. Some of you have probably had heart attacks and you're thinking, oh my goodness, they're doing promoter around every corner. No, we're not. We do not use promoter. In very rare cases, very strategically, if we need to hook film around a certain corner where we know there's not enough grab, we'll just dab a tiny little bit. But anyways, I don't want to give away too many secrets. I'll stop talking right about now. I think I'm gonna shrink these patterns, having second thoughts. I think we got enough room around these hood scoops and vents, so I'll show you really, really quick. We have 3 hours, so we're gonna get a whole team on this. I'm gonna shrink these two pieces just a little bit. That way we'll get better coverage. So no rock chips are gonna get in between those areas. So the most important thing is we have extended the edges coming across here. The factory piece stops right on the edge, which is not good at all. So these edges tend to get beat up, just destroyed and beat up. This is why, doing this for many years, getting a lot of experience, modifying patterns, watching out for things like this. As you can see, fully wrapped, and the car will stay looking pretty. So same exact concept here. We have overextended all this, so it's gonna wrap in and protect those edges. So, it matters where you get your vehicles wrapped, how much experience the shops have. Always ask how they do their patterns. Very, very important if you're looking for the best protection possible. Fenders. We're moving along pretty quick. Been 30 minutes since we started on the front bumper. Everything was prepped. I extended the edges here so it will wrap around pretty much all the way through. Just because that leading edge where it meets the bumper can accumulate chips. Oh, this is the rocker piece. The rear fender piece, rocker piece. Oh, this is the camera piece. Here we go. Eating PPF. My wife hates it when I do that. She says, why do you always put film in your mouth? I don't know, just a habit. The reason we put squeegees in our mouth is that way it's clean, right? We're not touching our pants, our pouches that potentially have lint in them. Because we don't want to get lint under film. Carbon fiber carbon. Remember the first time I saw one of these, it was like a volcano red 720S. I was mind blown by how they design all this with the vents. Definitely, that was epic. It was back when it came out in 2018. We were doing some work for a guy. It's pretty cool. It's 10:30 right now. We started at 9:31. So got a lot done already, which is good. If we get this done right about 12 o'clock, that leaves us about 20 minutes to do the windshield, post-heat all of the edges. It's raining out, so that's kind of a bummer, but we'll see how that's gonna go and how the film's gonna hold up. I know, right? Wrapping a full front on a McLaren in pretty much 3 hours. That's crazy. Again, is it possible to do 100%? Is it ideal? Not really. But the circumstance, the situation that we're in, pretty much leaves us no time. So we are rushing through, flying through. Still doing the best we can, the traditional wrapping edges, corners, hiding, tucking. But yeah. Excited to see how this thing's gonna run, so we'll up it.
Shows pictures of my car.
fresh expel wrap. Protect your expensive windshields. Windshields are getting very, very expensive nowadays. Oh, you already cut it out?
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, it looks good. All right, what do we got? We are at 119. So 119, so it took us right at 3 hours to wrap the front end of the McLaren 720S, including installed a little bit of film coming back here, a little bit of film here, and doing windshield skin as well. So now the vehicle is gonna be protected. A customer can enjoy it, drive it. Once he's done with the rally, rip everything off and have beautiful paint below it. So yeah, looking forward to see how this car performs. Thank you for watching the video, and we'll see you in the next one.